Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. So if you're just getting started with Kick, I'm going to show you how to create an account and basically the sign up process. So what you need to do is to go to kick.com, and from this page we can see featured streams or live categories. So let's accept these cookies. So let's go ahead and click sign up. If you already have an account, you could go ahead and just log in. So there are two options to sign up with. So you could sign up using an email here. So by doing that, you'd need to enter your birth date, your username, password, and confirm your password. So I'm going to actually sign up with Google. That is an easier method. You could sign up with Google or with Apple. That will already have your data stored, so you would not need to enter such data again. So let's go ahead and click sign up with Google. If you want, you could go ahead and enter your email, username, password, and confirm password. So let's go ahead and sign up with Google. And I'm going to select one of my Gmail accounts. All right, so our username, as you know, this is our username. Let's just set a date for our birthday, which year, 1997. Okay, let's go ahead and save. And what you need to do is to accept the terms of service. You can go ahead and read. It's quite a lot, so you could go ahead, read through, go ahead and accept. And it's that simple. We are now officially on Kick. We have our account. Let's go ahead and go to channel. So as you can see, we are currently offline. We don't have anything set up as yet, but that's basically it, how to go ahead and sign up for Kick. So if this video was helpful, please let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching. Hacker7 out.